Wherever you see in internet these days, you might be finding images like these. In the backdrop, like, you will have your 3D architecture of your personality, and in the front you will have your image sculpture with a poster beside. So everyone are creating these kind of images using Nano-Banana. Even celebrities join this trend, even big brands are using this trend. But if you want to create your own such image using Nano-Banana, how to do it? In this video I will show you step by step way to create your 3D model using Nano-Banana. I will also share the prompt with you. So all you have to do is like open Gemini, select create images with Nano-Banana, and paste the prompt. So here you have to give your name, so that's the only thing that you have to do. Rest everything is same. Now you have to upload your image. See, whatever the image that you feel will make sense, you need to add your image. So I'm uploading one of my image. See, that's it. You have to paste this prompt and upload your image, and you have to make some changes, like you have to add your name. That's it. Now I will click enter. So it will do the task for me. It's almost done already. That's it, done. Like, it's as simple as that. It took me less than 20 seconds or so to create this image. You can see you'll have a computerized 3D vector image in the backdrop, and you have your sculpture, 3D sculpture kind of an image portrait in front, and you will have your poster or calendar stuff in the side. This is so cool, right? The reason why everyone is doing it is because, like, it looks so cool, and it's looking like a reality, not an AI generated one. So try your luck with the prompt. I will paste the prompt in the description. For more AI related content and regular videos on AI tools and updates, please make sure you subscribe to the channel for such amazing content. Thank you.